Section 1.4, Topic 3, Temperature. Temperature is a measure of the hotness or coldness of an object. Indeed, temperature is a physical property that determines the direction of heat flow. Heat always flows spontaneously from a substance of higher temperature to one of a lower temperature. Thus, we feel the influx of heat when we touch a hot object, and we know that the object is at a higher temperature than our hand. The temperature scales commonly employed in scientific studies are Celsius and Kelvin. The Celsius scale is also everyday scale of temperature in most countries. It was originally based on the assignment of 0 degrees Celsius to the freezing point of water and 100 degrees Celsius to the boiling point at sea level. Figure 1.18. Comparison of the Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit temperature scales. The freezing point and boiling point of water, as well as normal human body temperature, is indicated on each of the scales. The Kelvin scale and the Celsius scale have the same width of a degree, and the Fahrenheit scale is a wider degree. The Kelvin scale is the SI unit temperature scale, and the SI unit of temperature is the Kelvin. Historically, the Kelvin scale was based on the properties of gases. Its origins will be considered in Chapter 10. 0 on this scale is the lowest attainable temperature, negative 273.15 degrees Celsius, a temperature referred to as absolute zero. Both the Celsius and Kelvin scales have equal-sized units. That is, a Kelvin is the same size as a degree Celsius. Thus, the Kelvin and Celsius scales are related as follows. Kelvin is simply the degrees Celsius plus 273.15. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius is 273.15 Kelvin. Notice that we do not use the degree sign with the temperature on the Kelvin scale. The common temperature scale in the United States is the Fahrenheit scale, which is not generally used in scientific studies. On the Fahrenheit scale, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The Fahrenheit and Celsius scales are related as follows. To obtain a degree Celsius from a Fahrenheit, subtract 32 from Fahrenheit and multiply by the fraction 5/9. To obtain a degree Fahrenheit from Celsius, multiply the degree Celsius by the fraction 9/5 and then add 32.